Now I just want to make fries like this made in a bag. Super delicious and crispy. Start in a pan by adding 500 g of potato. I'll add a bit of salt and then cover with water. We'll let it cook until it's well softened. We'll then transfer it to a container with the pre-drained potatoes. We'll season it with salt, paprika, and a bit of black pepper having done that. Now just mash it all up really well after mashing. We'll add an egg, half a grated pepperoni, a bit of parsley, and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch now. Just mix it all up really well. Then we'll continue to mix it with our hands. Just run this batter through any bag now, and let's fry it in hot oil. Just make a cut in the bag's hole and start cutting with scissors or even a knife. Once it's golden, just remove it and let it drain on a paper towel, and look at just how incredible this fry is. People make it at your homes. I'm sure everyone will love it. It's a super quick and easy recipe that's delicious. And I hope you enjoyed. This was another recipe from your humble cook. Here's a big hug until next time, and thanks.